Here we have the A4 cold and thermal laminator. So the laminator comes with all these accessories except for the drawings, of course. It has 3 loopholes. It has the instruction manual, 3 different sizes of lamination, and inside here it comes with the rounder at the edges, a hole puncher with 1 singular hole puncher, and a paper cutter. So when you first get the laminator, it's very simple to use. All you have to do is plug it in, and it should automatically turn on here. You just have to click on the power click. You click that once, and it will go on to cool. And you wait a little bit. It doesn't take that long, like about 2 minutes, and it's already on to 80 mics. You just have to, there's a switch in the back here. As you can see, you switch it to change the size of the paper that you want to laminate. And it's very simple to use. As you can see, I already laminated 2 here, and this is how I did it. That is so cool. Oh. It's a little bit hot, but it's super easy to use. Oh my gosh. Whoa.